Greeting, my name is Primaditya Hakim, doctoral student from Department of Architecture, Institut Teknologi Sepuluh Nopember, Surabaya. Let me presenting our paper, Concept of Archetype in Built Environment Literature Review. Perception is the process of human perceiving information from the environment and how humans collect and interpret information. While typology is a method of classifying something based on its characteristic or feature, while archetype refers to basic pattern that underlie something. Archetypes were always reduced either to the limited set of ideas, categorized, or natural instinct. They were reduced to rational concepts. Archetype can hardly grasp with rational method, since rationality doesn't consider to unconscious instinct and intuition. In Jung terms, archetypes are the reference point of every process within the unconscious, mediator between the source and the determined form, an incredibly accurate psychological device. The concept of archetype represents the existence of definitive form in the psyche that are always present everywhere. Jung considered archetype to be similar to image and behavioral patterns. This paper is literature research that uses the descriptive method of reviewing data in the form of paper conducted by other researchers, as well as writing from architectural experts. This is a qualitative literature research. The material studied is a literature with the keyword archetype. Descriptive methods are used to explain the main thought and understanding the archetype theory, while the description uses narrative technique. Paul Jucker applied the architectural typology methodology commonly used in the 50s to express thought of 5 types of spatial organization of square, namely the closed square, the dominated square, the nuclear square, and the group square. Aldo Rossi, in his book, The Architecture of the City, presents a theory of architecture and urban design based on history and tradition. Rossi never directly referred to Jung archetype, but uses the term type, typology, and scene instead. Rossi divided architectural types into the typology of the representation, the typology of social function, and the typology of the technical function. This Evanson proposing a universal architectural language based on the experience qualities of roofs, walls, and floor. He argued that these 3 architectural elements are general to any style and tradition of architecture and create a relationship between inside and outside. Identifies height, motion, and substance are architecture 3 existential expressions that clarify a building insideness or outsideness. The other researchers have discovered this Evanson interpretation to be useful for checking specific architect and architectural style. Ramaswamy conducted a qualitative exploration interpreting Japanese vernacular houses using this Evanson conceptual framework. Imtiaz ASIF, examining the relationship between a number or more architectural elements and the sacred built form, using the interpretative approach with the thematic perspective of Keith Evanson. In conclusion, different authors propose different interpretation of architectural archetype, which partly stem from the acceptability of the term archetype itself. Since C.G. Jung himself could not give a concrete definition, the existence of architectural archetype remains open to development. Thomas D. Stevenson archetype in architecture provide a structured approach to understanding the element of architecture and their role in shaping a built environment. Concept of archetype can be used to analyze the value of building more sensitively, accurately, and precisely by describing the unconscious expression that people get from architectural elements. And let me end this presentation by showing our reference. Thank you.